So I got my Pixel 2 XL last October 2018, and after the launch of Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL, I was looking forward to buy or upgrade to the new Pixel 3. Now I'm not really a fan of notches, so I don't like the Pixel 3 XL, but yes, every time I think of buying or upgrading to the Pixel 3, there are a couple of things that always stop me from buying this new phone, and I still feel that the Pixel 2 XL is really a better phone as compared to the Pixel 3. And if you are planning to buy a Pixel phone, then you should at present go for the Pixel 2 XL, and here are my opinions on that. So my first reason for buying the 2XL is the price. Now both these phones were launched at around 73,000 and 71,000 in India, and at present the 2XL is selling around 40,000 and the Pixel 3 is selling around 63,000. So there is first of all this big difference in price of around 23,000. I still believe that the Pixel 2 XL is really very expensive phone at around 40,000, but still if you want to choose between the two, I would suggest you to go for 2XL because both the phones almost have identical specifications and Pixel 3 is just a little bit of upgrade to the Pixel 2 XL. So my second reason for choosing the 2XL is of course the specifications. Now Pixel 2 XL comes with Snapdragon 835, which was one of the latest processor at that time. On the other hand, Pixel 3 comes with Snapdragon 845 and a GPU that is a little bit higher in terms of performance as compared to the 2XL. But Snapdragon 835 is not an obsolete processor. It is one of the good and latest processor. It will give you a very good media consumption experience, and also while you're gaming you won't notice any kind of hiccups or lags. Apart from that, both the phones have exactly 4 GB of RAM, so that is also very identical. So in my opinion, considering the price difference between the two phones, you can go for the 2XL. So the next reason for choosing the 2XL is of course the display. Now the Pixel 2 XL comes with a 6-inch display with a pixel density of 538. On the other hand, Pixel 3 comes with a 5.5-inch display with a pixel density of 443. Now technically you will notice that both the displays are OLED displays, but the Pixel 2 XL has a much higher resolution and much higher pixel density as compared to the Pixel 3. Now although this comparison or this difference is very minor, but you cannot ignore that, and you should also keep in mind that this is the only phone that comes with a 6-inch display and does not have a notch in all the phones that Google is selling right now. So the next reason for going for 2XL is of course the battery. Now the Pixel 2 XL has around 3520 mAh of battery, while Pixel 3 has just 2915 mAh of battery. And in 2019, if any phone is coming with anywhere around 3000 mAh of battery, I would say that it's just going to give you an average battery life. Apart from that, for a phone like Google Pixel that has an incredible camera, and that camera is actually doing a lot of processing in the background even when you are taking pictures or even when you are video recording anything. So I'm a Pixel 2 XL owner, and I noticed that that camera sucks really a lot of battery, equivalent to if you are playing any kind of a game like PUBG. So just keep that in mind that 3000 mAh of battery will not be enough in the Pixel 3. So just go for the 2XL. So the last reason to go for 2XL are the cameras. Now both the phones have exactly same rear cameras, which are of 12.2 megapixel with f1.8, which is the wide lens, and the major hardware difference can be seen in the front facing cameras, where the Pixel 3 has two 8 megapixel front facing cameras with the wide and the ultra wide lens. On the other hand, the 2XL just has single 8 megapixel camera and a lens which they call wide, but I believe it lies somewhere between the wide and the ultra wide. So this is the major hardware change that you will notice among the two phones. Now in my opinion, most of us would be clicking pictures from the rear cameras, and it's good that Pixel 3 has dual front facing cameras, but it definitely does not convince me to put that huge extra amount of cash just because Pixel 3 has dual front facing cameras. I hope you got my point, and this was all about the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the points were very valid, and if you have the cash you can go for Pixel 3, and those of you who don't want to spend that extra amount of cash can definitely go for 2XL. It's really a best buy at this point of time. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.